There are a lot of things that remind me of home, but oatmeal is surely my top reminder. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my oatmeal, coconut milk, and honey bar. Now, how I prepare my steel-cut oats is by pressure cooking it. I've been cooking oats for so long, I've got this down to a science. I flavor it by adding my star anise, which gives it this spicy, sweet, licorice-like aroma. I add bay leaves, cinnamon sticks for its ability to lower my blood sugar levels, as well as adding oat milk, which is said to have this calming property. So I guess that's why I've always remained calm. And this is the inspiration for the oatmeal, coconut milk, and honey bar. Here are some benefits when you consume oatmeal. It's filled with lots of fiber, healthy essential fatty acids. It's a plant-based protein, and especially in these times, it is said to help increase immunity. On the skin, oatmeal is said to soothe dry, itchy skin while cleansing the oil and dirt from your pores, and it balances natural oils on your skin while nourishing and softening your dry skin's texture, which is quite important. We want our skin to be calm, moisturized, and soothed. As you know, I love adding lovely butters to my bars, so I added shea butter. It is said to regenerate the skin and address problems such as dryness and discoloration, which usually happens when your skin is dry. So it just helps to regenerate your dry skin. And here are the rest of the ingredients that you can find in this bar. I added oatmeal, of course, honey, rice oil, castor oil, sustainable palm oil, coconut oil, and coconut milk. All of these ingredients are said to improve skin's texture and appearance, while providing the skin with nourishing lipids, vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. Thank you so much for watching me make my oatmeal, coconut milk, and honey bar. It is perfect for dry skin. To smell it, oh, it just smells like a warm, comforting hug on a chilly day. And if you want to get this bar, head over to cdfskincare.com. I can't wait to package it up and send it off to you. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.